Alright, folks. Kevin Duxbury was the same blog hitting me. You liked Carl's cab. You liked should have worked out. The guy said also, I showed pictures of my kids because they don't look Jewish. That I pretty much know it. I had something to do with it. Because I'm a good sperm donor. Father, fuck no. Sperm donor, yes. My name's Kevin Duxbury. I'm going to bring you more music parodies, parrots, whatever the fuck I'm going to bring you. I'm going to start doing shit more often like that. My name's Kevin Duxbury. Watch the same fucking TV. Have a good one. Coming out. You guys are lifesavers.